Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is part 2 of CRUD Operations in Angular 4 applications. Okay, in part 1 video, we have learned how to create web API project, SQL Server database and entity data model. Today we will discuss how to create controllers in API project. In order to create API controllers, right click on controllers folder, add, then click controller. Here select the web API 2 controller with actions using entity framework. Then click on add. Here select the model class, employee model. Here data context class is DB model. This is the class we created when we are creating entity data model. Then name the controller employees. Click on add. Inside the controller, you can see some web API is the web actions. This is used to do operations insert, update, and delete. Then let's look each of them fast. First, get employees. Its type of get. We can retrieve all the employees using this API inside our employees table. Then next, get employees with parameter. This method is used to retrieve employees details for the given employee ID. In this application, we don't use this method. Let's delete it. After that, we have put method, put employee. This is used to update a given employee record. Okay. Here, this validation part is there. We don't know. We don't want this validation part. Let's remove this because we will do validation in Angular for application itself. Then first we check model state is valid, that is removed, and after that we have post employee. This is type of post. Here also first we are checking the model state is valid. This part is not required here. This post method is used to insert the new employee record into the employee table. Okay. The final method is delete method. It's used to delete employee record with a given ID. Inside this employee control, we have done all DB interactions like insert, update, and delete. Here, for object DB object created of DB model. See here in get employees, we have retrieved all the employees from employee table and returning here. Okay. Input employee, we have two parameter. One is int ID and the employees object. This is updated employee table object. We are getting as object. Okay. First we are checking given ID and the employee ID is matching. If not matching means it will return a bad request. Then its state is modified. If match each other, it will save the changes. Okay, before that we are checking that employee ID exists in employee table. This we have function. Here we are checking given employee ID is exist in that employee table, employee list. Okay. If employee ID not exist means it will return not found. Okay. If employee ID exists means it will throw a exception. And at last it will throw return a status code, no content. Then in post employee method, Here we will insert new employee into the employee table. For that, here add function is used. This is an object of a employee table. Last it changes and then it return um, inserted record with this URL. At last, delete employee method. Here first we are finding the employee details with object with the given ID. If employee is null means it will return not found message. Otherwise it will remove the employee from that employees list. Then save changes. It will return a employee object. At last override dispose method. Dispose method is called when system is going to destroying the objects. This method is giving opportunity to release resources that we have used in employee controller. Okay. Now we have implemented all CRUD operations in this web API project. In our next video, we will discuss how to create a Angular 4 application. From that application, we will consume this web API project. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.